If you've ever spent hours creating, executing, and analyzing email marketing campaigns, you need to know about MailKing. MailKing is the best email campaign manager available that handles all of this for you right from your Gmail inbox. Send a mass email campaign in minutes with the click of a button. You won't have to spend a lot of time designing an email. You'll get instant access to over 1,000 free email templates, including welcome email templates that make a great first impression, newsletter emails that share your valuable content and increase brand awareness, new product and service emails to create enough buzz around your new releases that they sell out immediately, special offer emails that make a good deal hard to resist, abandoned cart emails that encourage buyers on the fence to take the plunge and make a purchase, feedback and survey emails to collect data and improve your products, services, and marketing campaigns, and more. MailKing has a template for every occasion that you can customize with an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor. You can manually add contacts, upload an Excel or CSV file, or import them from Google Contacts. With the ability to create multiple lists, like VIPs or newsletter subscribers, you can now send targeted campaigns to the right audience in just a few clicks. To grow your list, you can embed a customizable subscribe form on your website with your branding, or simply share a subscription link in your email signature or anywhere online. When you send your email blast out, you'll have higher open rates because your emails are sent from your own Gmail account. Not like some other email marketing software apps that make your customers feel like they're just a number. You'll also get real-time insights into your email campaign in the form of this organized and automatically updated campaign stats spreadsheet. You can see who opened your email, who replied, how many times they opened your email, who clicked on your links, when they opened your email, their IP address, their location, and their operating system. Now I can use this info to send a follow-up email to every contact who didn't click my links. Armed with open rate data, click-through data, and the ability to send emails that bypass the promotions folder, I can easily create marketing campaigns that grow my business in no time. Cloud HQ, helping your productivity one click at a time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to know about all the latest apps that make you more productive at work.